Codes are the guidelines, and earlier panel also even CFO was telling these are the guidelines, and the members of the NBC, Mr. Everybody said these are the guidelines, and we have to do it practically. And I have to see every project is unique. Nothing can be implemented just from the code, and we should not focus just on the Excel sheet, making the points and making the compliance and forcing consultant to give us the compliance and forget it. Like for the smoke extraction for the lobbies, it is written that natural ventilation should be there, 2.5% cross ventilation. So just I see on the board the drawing is there, ventilation is there, Pankaj ji ने डाला है उसमें तो सब सही है. But practically आप देखो, Mumbai is a very wind velocity is high, tunnel effect is there because of the sea facing. So in the high rise, when you go to 50 floor or 60 floor or high rise floor, or not even to 50, 60, maybe 30 floor, so then who will keep the window open? And in case of fire, I am complying. I am very much complying, and I am ethically also, morally also, whatever the code saying, I am complying. But practically when I am doing high rise, the codes, maybe NFPA, international codes are also not fully equipped with this high rise nowadays are coming up. So in my view, we have to see that as a designer, and what Mr. Madhav has put across is, if from the basic design it is correct and put on the drawing, so no developer will negotiate on that. If Mr. Pankaj Dharkar or any consultant has given me, so I have to call him 100 times to have some deviation. And I have that I can say openly, and I don't have any fear in telling that. If he has recommended certain things, so I don't have courage to supersede him until and unless the mail come from him and his stamp is there. So he is very authoritative in that. In that fashion, for the lobbies, this pressurization is must. I think for this high-rise floors, if natural ventilation is there, the pressurization cost, if you can compare with the all other costs, so it's very negligible. But it will save. It is the egress part. So that is the point.
Since you mentioned about no compromise or no this thing.